Assalamu alaikum warahmatullah. Hello, my student. Welcome to this video. Page 275. We're gonna do activities. Chapter 12. The end of the chapter activities. Activity 12a. Open the image snowangel.png in a suitable package, which is of course GIMP. Rotate the image 90-degree clockwise. So I have to open the image and then rotate it 90-degree clockwise. I got the image with the source file, chapter 12 source file. Right click on the image, snowangel, and then open with, and then go GIMP. I already have the image, I already opened it with GIMP, just for saving time. Go to image, tab, go to this fourth option, transform, and we may flip the image horizontal or vertical or rotate 90-degree clockwise. This is what exactly I have to do. Now I rotate it like 90-degree clockwise. And then save the image as snowangel number 1 pink. So I have to save it. Of course, I have to go to File and then Export As. File, Export As to export the image. And I have to choose the file name, snowangel number 1. I have to make the file name, snowangel, just add number 1. Where do you want to save it? I want to save it in chapter 12. I already want to save it there. I have to click Export. And then he asks you if you are intending to keep the image resolution and so on, and then click export. I already have it. Show evidence of the finished image, the file name and the file size. I have to show evidence. What did I do in this file? I already have it here. It's named snowangel number 1 pink. I can go to view tab to show more evidence about the file type and the file size. I may go to details. When I go to details, I can see that the file size and the file type and the file name snowangel number 1. This is the file type, and I can compare between snowangel without number 1 and snowangel with number 1. That's it. That was all about task 12a. I have to close GIMP because laptop lagging. Okay. Task activity 12b, sorry. Open the presentation winter.bbtx in a suitable package. It's 4-point file. I'm gonna have it. It's over here in the chapter 12 source file. Open it. Winter. And then what? Crop the bottom of the image dog.png. I got an image. I have to insert it, of course. Click enable editing. And now I may insert the dog image. Go to insert tab. Of course, you are in hub tab. Go to insert tab, go to pictures. And then I have to browse my pictures. I already saved them in my desktop. Chapter 12, of course. And I have a dog, this one, dog.png. And I insert it. Okay. So the question said what? Crop the bottom from the image. I have to crop the bottom. Already while I'm activating the image, I can see the picture tool over here. When I click outside, it disappears. So I have to click on my picture and then this crop option. Crop the bottom of the image. I have to crop the whole bottom until I go to the image, until I go to the dog. And here we go. Next question. Reduce the contrast and increase the brightness. Reduce the contrast and increase the brightness of the picture. To get to see more options of the image, right click on it, and then you may go to format picture. Right click on it, format picture, and I may see more options over here. Picture correction, and I have the brightness. The question is, let me read the question again. Reduce the contrast. Where is the contrast? Reduce it. So I have to go with minus, of course. Okay, just reduce it a little bit. And then increase the brightness. This is the brightness. Increase it just a little bit also. Now I got a beautiful picture. Okay. Next question. Place it to fill the slide so that it becomes background image. I have to place it until it goes to fill the slide. Always, yeah, AIGs. Make sure always to resize pictures from the corners. Do not resize picture from sides. Always, you got beautiful corners, use them. I have to place it to fill the whole slide. Okay. like this is good. Almost. This space. Now I got it. How can I place it like a background? Right click on it, and then I may find send to pack. Send to pack word. Again, right click on it, and then I may go send backward. Now I got the text above it. Now I got the text above the picture. Now I set it like a background. Okay, I set it as a background. Find the Clipart image of a snowman and then reduce it to CM high. Now I have to snowman. I have to insert it. Go to insert tab. Of course, I insert with insert tab, pictures, and I have to find the snowman. This is our snowman. I have to reduce to 2 cm high. When I click on the image, I may go over here. These are highs of the picture, which is already inches. How can I change it to centimeters, Miss Hiba? And then you got it as centimeters. It converted to inches automatically. Okay, now I got it like a cm. Next question. Place it like 1 cm from the top of the slide and 1 cm from the left of the slide with no border. Place it like 1 cm from the top, 1 cm over here exactly. Now I got it like 1 cm. Okay. Save the file as Activity12b. Of course, I have to go to File, Save As, and I have to name it. I have Chapter 12 work file. I have to name it Activity12b. This is the file name, Activity12b. And I save it. Okay, thank you so much for watching. I'm gonna record another video for the Activity 12C and Activity 12D.